Hello, everybody. My name is Cleve from Friendship Supreme, and I'm a Disney Dreamlight Valley boy. Alright, we have a new week with new rewards, a new Dream Snap. Let's start with how many Moonstones I got. That way I know what I can buy. Alright, so we are rewarding for Marvels of Nature. Here's my submission. I feel good about it, but I felt good about a couple, and I've been wrong. Let's look at first, second, and third place. Oh, that's really pretty. Very cute. Oh, like in the canoe, that's also very good. A little Bambi in the back. The butterfly on the oar. That's good. Oh my goodness. How's that not first place? Oh, I don't feel good anymore, guys.
This valley is so friendly,
Yeah.
like a warm
I
hug.
am really struggling with dream steps lately. Alright, so that won't help me, but let's go to the premium shop and see if it even matters. Alright. Looks like the answer's no, because I have female costumes for Star Wars. So that doesn't do anything for me, does it? Ooh, windmills. Kind of interesting. I can almost afford them. So this is one of those build a house type of thing. And then they come with these two windmills that are just furniture. Okay. The tulip field, that's very pretty. It looks complicated. Spotlight is another um female costume that won't be for me. Companion that I already have. Limited time offer. Oh, I have all of them except for Jafar. I didn't think I would. And then recommended isn't great anyway. So the windmills are cool, but is it worth it just to get just the windmills? Hmm. I'll have to really think about that. Don't forget about your new routine duties, along with the rest of the start path. You still have 40 days, but you don't want to wait to the last minute. Now, because I didn't buy anything, I really don't have much else to go over. The next Dream Snap is crafted with care. This challenge is all about craftsmanship. Create a scene with woodwork, metal, stitching, and handmade details. For your outfit, choose natural textures and artisanal accents. Ooh, that's mm, that hurts my head a little bit. Rustic, traditional table. I need one table, and it needs to be playful. And then we'll end it on some voting for the cozy dreams. Here's my submission here. Why? Okay, so I'm gonna make the mistake of saying I like it again, even though me liking it has meant nothing. But also, I did it in like 20 minutes. So it felt good for the amount of time I gave it. But let's do voting. Okay. Cozy little pajamas there. This one's cozy. Oh, this one's very cozy. Very cute. Yeah, okay. I like it. Yeah, okay. It's interesting. My brain can't even comprehend it being an outdoor challenge. These are pretty. I don't cozy dreams. Yeah, I see cozy dreams here. Whoa, Maui. That's kind of funny. You know what? Yeah, you're gonna get that vote. I don't know that you should, but you're going to. Let's see. Let's do a quick little speed run here. Then we're gonna end it here on this one. I think this one's actually pretty adorable. It looks as cozy as could be. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. I know it wasn't the biggest show in the world, but honestly, man, these dream snaps are really hurting me. And my voice, I don't know if you can tell, isn't having a great time. So I'll try to get better, and then I'll just see you next week.